Welcome back to the channel, guys. You're watching Guns for Fun CA, Jana and Justin. Today I got a handsaw here that I want to review. It's the Wicked Tree handsaw. Let me tell you, this is one wicked saw. This outdoes the Baco Laplander by a long shot. So what we're going to do is take this down to the bench so we can get a closer look on this Wicked Tree handsaw right here. Follow me. This wicked tough hand tree saw is just amazing. It's great for camping, bushcrafting, hunting, hiking, or woodwork. It has rugged silver cast aluminum with a overmold finger groove grip right there that just fits and feels great to the hand. There's a push button steel locking pin here, so your blade always stays locked into place. Let's see how that works right now. See, this push down on it and unfold it and it locks into place. To unlock it, you just push it down again. Also, there is a lanyard hold right here for getting leverage. It works great for getting leverage when you're sawing a tree, so I recommend some 500, 550 paracord. This is a very durable saw. It's ultra sharp. The high carbon steel blade cuts through tough branches with ease. Check out the saw teeth on this wicked blade right here. Look at those teeth, guys. Just amazing. So I'm going to leave this saw open so we can go through some of the specs on it. The blade length comes in at 6 1/4 inches. Closed length, when it's closed, it's going to be 8 1/4. So that's 8 1/4 right there. Open length, when it's fully opened right there, you're coming in at 14 inches. The Wicked Gear tree saw is a total of 8 ounces, so this is a great saw to have in the pack. It's really light, and also it really gets the job done. I'm telling you, as you can see, I used it a few times and everything. I plan to use it a lot more, but look at those blades. Those teeth on those blades are just incredible. This handsaw has replacement blades which you can order separate. So I want to take this saw out into the field so we can test out the Wicked Tree Gear handsaw. So it's time to get wicked, so follow me outside, guys. So I found a nice tree right here. Let's put this thing to the test. So far it's working out pretty nice. It's cutting really good. One-handed motion. Cuts like butter, guys. Yeah, cuts like butter. So far it does a pretty good job. Just got cut up there.